Hey everybody, so I wanted to just do a little short video for you to show you a simple way to clamp a unusually shaped object. I'm doing a little chair repair here, and it's for a co-teacher. And one of the things that was extremely hard about it was I needed to clamp this whole front piece back on that was loose. So if you ever run into a situation where you can't get a clamp around it, just take a simple ratchet strap,